Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CCNA Day 8. I am Muhammad Ayub. I am your trainer for this entire series. Today we are going to see the VLAN. What is VLAN and why we'll need a VLAN configuration? We'll see in this videos. First we'll move to the theory. So this is our today's practical configuration of VLAN. See this guys, what is VLAN means, why we'll need this VLAN. In every organization there is a multiple types of multiple branches like HR, sales, marketing, management, and like this we have so many departments, right? So in that departments will assign to the ports to the based on the departments. So here see in the diagram, we have 24 port switch. Example, we are taking 24 port switch. The switch is like 8 port, 16 port, and 24 ports. Whether it's 8 port or 24 ports, we will divide our ports to the departments. See here in diagram, for port 1 and 2 we are dividing to the VLAN 10. That means we are dividing 1 and 2 port to the sales department, and we are dividing the 4 5 port to the marketing department. Like this we will divide to the all the ports to the departments. Clear? So there is a two types of VLAN. There are two types of configuration of VLAN. See, virtual LAN. VLAN means virtual LAN. VLAN provided layer 2 security, divided a single broadcast domain into a multiple broadcast domain. By default, all ports of the switch are in VLAN 1. VLAN 1 is known as administrative VLAN or management VLAN. VLAN can be created 2 to 1001. There are two types of VLAN configurations: static VLAN, host-based VLAN, then dynamic VLAN. Static VLAN or port-based VLAN. Ports need to be manually assigned in VLAN. Also called a port-based VLAN. A port can be member of a VLAN, single VLAN. Dynamic VLAN. Dynamic VLANs are based on the MAC address of the devices. Switch automatically assigned to the port of VLAN. Each ports can be a member of a multiple VLANs. For dynamic VLAN, configuration of software called VMPS is needed. VLAN Management Policy Server. So this is our syntax. So now we'll do the practicals. Configuration of VLAN. Configuration of VLAN. The practicals based on our diagram. See, we no need this systems. Why? Because we have configured our new switch. So for this we don't need the systems to configure the switch. We have already configured in the previous video. Okay. So okay. First we'll check the configuration of a switch. So in the LAN system we can connect our switch to the based on telnet command. So we'll see how to connect our switch through telnet command. Go to the desktop and click on command prompt, then telnet and switch IP address 192.168.0.100. See this. Clear? Password is subnet. Enable subnet. Show running config to check the configuration of the switch. See this. We have 24 port switch. So this is the ports of the switch. This is a spanning tree PVST mode, and we have 2 gigaports like gigaport 1 and 2. We have given IP address to the switch 0.1 and 0.100, and we have given a password to the LAN console and LAN VTY. We have seen so far to the previous video. So now we are going to create our VLANs. So what is the syntax to create a VLAN? Here, go to global configuration mode, config T, VLAN 10, VLAN 10, 2 to 1001 we can give. So we are taking as 10. Example, we can take any number, but we are taking as an example of 10. So we'll enter as a name sales. We'll enter name sales. That's it. Then exit VLAN 24 marketing. Enter the name marketing. Enter exit. To check the configuration, what is the command? Show VLAN. See this guys. Show VLAN. VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 we have given the names. See this our VLAN. When you type the VLAN show VLAN command, so it will show all the ports of the switch. See this ports FA0 1 2 3 4 up to 24 and gigaport 0 1 2. So this is the default VLAN 1. So we have created sales and marketing. Previously it was not there. Now we are going to assign the ports to the VLANs. Okay, it is here FA0 1 and 2 4 5 6. When we have give, the ports will come from here to here. So we'll see how to give a port to the VLANs. Assigning ports to the VLAN, or this is the syntax. Okay, so go to the global configuration mode, config T, config T, then interface fast Ethernet. We are giving port number 1 and 2 the sales department. See here in the diagram, I will show you in the diagram. See this. This is our diagram. We are assigning VLAN 10 sales to the port number 1 and 2. Okay. Okay. So what is the syntax to assign a port to the VLAN? Config T, then interface fast Ethernet 0/1 enter, then switch port mode access, enter. Here our syntax is here. Switch port access VLAN 10. VLAN 10 is sales, right? 10 enter, then exit. Then interface fast Ethernet 0/2 0/2 our second port, enter. Here syntax for port 2. Then switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10 for sale, enter. Connection time. Wait. Okay, we are creating a VLAN, right? So we have to directly connect it to our switch. So we'll open directly through the switch only. while we assign to the port, the switch will not communicate. Why? Because I will show you later. Enable, when we create a VLAN, they will not communicate with each other. Okay. Config T. What is our syntax? Here, assigning a port to the switch. Port 2. Okay. Config T. Interface fast Ethernet 0/2 enter. Then switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10 enter. Then exit. Show VLAN. See guys, previously port number 1 and 2 is there here in VLAN 1. Now the port number 1 and 2 we have given to the sales department. Clear? And one more thing guys, it is not in our diagram. We will assign to the port 4 and 5 also, like here. We'll take more two systems. We'll give VLAN 22 marketing also. Okay, for better understand, we will take two more systems. So far we have our configuration, we have done. We will take two more systems. 4 and 5. We'll give port number 4 to the one system and port number 5 to the another system. Port number 5 to the another system. And check the IP address of the LAN. What is the IP address? 192.168.1.0.1 and gateway is 0.100. And the second system at 0.2 at 0.2 and 0.100. Then 0.3 and 0.4 we have to give the IP address to the system. 0.3 and 0.4. 192.168.0.3. Gateway is 192.168.0.100. And the fourth system is 0.4. 192.168.0.4. 68.0.4. Then gateway is 192.168.0.100. Okay. So now we are going to configure our VLAN 20. Config T. Before that I will show you the VLAN. Show VLAN. See this guys, we have created this VLAN 10 and we have assigned the IP address 0 FA01 we have assigned the port of FA01 and FA02 to the sales department, right? Now we are going to give the IP address to the marketing department, that is port number 4 and 5. Okay, so config T interface fast Ethernet 0/4 0/4 enter. What is the syntax? Same, the syntax is same here. Interface switch port mode access VLAN 20. Switch port access VLAN 20. Previously we have given 10 for sales, now we are giving 20 for marketing. Then exit. Then interface pass Ethernet 0/5 enter. Switch port access VLAN 20. Then exit. Show VLAN. See this guys, now we have given port number 1 and 2 for VLAN 10 sales department. Then we have given port number 4 and 5 VLAN 22 marketing department. Clear? So when we assign the ports to the different departments, they will not communicate with each other. See this, our IP address in the LAN is 192.168.1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. when we are going to pin to the 1.2 system to 1.1, it will communicate. Why? Because it is in the same VLAN 10. So I will show you ping 192.168.0.1. It will apply, right? Why? Because the port number 41 and 2 are in the same department. See in this example, this our port number 1 and 2 are in the VLAN 10 in the sales department. When we are going to ping our sales department with the marketing department, they will not communicate. Why? Because port number, because they are in the same VLAN, I mean they are in the same LAN network, but they will not communicate. Why? Because we have assigned a port to the different department. So VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, so they will not communicate within the VLAN they will communicate. If we are going to ping to the other VLAN, they will not communicate. For that we need to configure the trunk. That is our next class, trunking. So firstly I will show you the practical, will they are communicating or not. So we are opening VLAN 20 fourth system, that IP address is 0.4 here. So we are going to ping to the 0.1. Okay, it will not ping 192.168.0.100 0.1, sorry. It will not ping. Why? Because the port number 1 and 2, for system number 1 and 2 is in the VLAN 10. It is in the sales department. There is a different department. They will not communicate with each other. Within the LAN, if we ping, then it will communicate. To enable the communication for different VLANs, so for that we need to configuration the trunking. That is our next class. If you want to like give a communication between the two departments, like sales and marketing, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, for that we need to configure the trunking. See this guys, it is not pinging, right? When we ping to the third system, it will ping. Why? Because it is in the marketing department only, it is in the same VLAN. See this, we will ping to the 3, it will reply. Clear so far? So our next class is configuration of trunking. Why will use the trunking? To enable a communication between the two departments. Okay, see this, trunking is a member of our VLAN. If the same VLAN configure on different switch, then they cannot communicate. Trunk should be configured to enable the communication. Okay, this is our next class. So till now we have completed our class. So guys, please do the practice, and based on the notes only you will do the practicals, so that you will get the proper output. You will get a reply to the systems. And don't skip any videos guys. From starting onwards you have to watch all the videos, like from day one to like till now we have uploaded the videos, right? So that you will learn the CCNA in a clear way. So in the coming days I'm going to like start a new batch. I just want to give a training to the candidates, so they are who they are not like able to like do the practicals. I mean they will not understand how to do the CCNA, and if they have any doubts, they want to join the batch so that they can join the batch. So I'm going to start with the next to the next week. So anyone wants to subscribe, so please subscribe box and join the classes, and share this videos to your friend and relatives. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Thanks for watching guys.